Still yawning, Yvonne.
Groggy.
Today is a day of tiredness.
Oh, groggy for all. But Soph, it's nice to have the sunset a little later today.
It definitely is.
It makes a nice change when we get off and out of the office.
Yes.
All right. We had a few breaks out there. Thanks, Soph. Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to still hang on to a little bit of instability. And if you're traveling along the mountain passes, we still have a significant amount of snow. We're currently sitting at 9. We've got a southwesterly wind out of the airport and temperatures sitting at 7. Now, the plan as we get in towards this evening and in towards tomorrow morning will be that chance of showers. We'll likely see a bit more cloud cover rolling in tonight and taking us in towards the morning hours. There's the spotty showers that we're picking up on the satellite and radar. It's similar across the island, right along the Sunshine Coast. So it is going to still remain unsettled likely for the beginning of tomorrow, and then it should start to ease off by the afternoon. But it's the interior, the big weather story. We're still seeing that snow falling heavy at times into tomorrow morning, and we have upwards of 20 centimeters for a few of the mountain passes. And then a look ahead on the futurecast along the south coast. We'll see a nice break Wednesday onwards. We're back into some sunshine, and those temperatures will be warming up for our daytime highs. 15 up to 25 centimeters if you're along the Kootenay and Rogers Pass. So once again, these are amounts that will take us in towards tomorrow morning before it eases off. Check in with the latest road conditions on drivebc.ca. Along the coast, though, a bit of mixed precipitation for the early morning hours, changing over to a chance of showers. Dry, though, for the central interior, and it's really higher elevations that will still see that snowfall, heavy at times for the morning hours, easing off and breaks towards the afternoon, and a bit of instability along the northern regions of the island and inland with wet flurries just for the morning hours. So a chance of showers across the lower mainland and for Metro Vancouver. We are going to see it rebounding, however, on Wednesday. Still a bit chilly for overnight lows. We've got plenty of sunshine in the mix, Soph, and temperatures anywhere between 10 and 11 degrees. Back to you.
All right. Thanks, Yvonne. Let's bring in meteorologist Yvonne Schalle in for Christy tonight with a look at what I think is a decent forecast for spring break. I don't know. I mean, I vaguely remember some sunshine.
Yes, I know. So today was not bad. We had a few breaks in there. We're still hanging on to a bit more cloud cover as we get in towards this evening with a chance of showers, but it's the long range forecast for spring break that I'll have in just a moment. We're currently sitting at 9, dry conditions out of the airport, a southwesterly wind at 17 kilometers per hour. There is still a bit of instability. We've got a few showers that have popped up just along the west end, along the North Shore Mountains. We'll see it across the island. Similar right now for the Sunshine Coast and inland, and for the northern tip of Vancouver Island overnight and for tomorrow morning. We could still see a few wet flurries before it changes over to a chance for some showers. Big weather story, however, if you're traveling along the mountain passes, we still have a significant amount of snow. We are tracking that right along the Kootenay Pass and the Rogers Pass. I'll have that in just a moment, but I did want to outline what we're anticipating overnight and for tomorrow morning. It'll be cloud cover with a chance of showers, and that instability does still stick around. These are the areas of concern if you're traveling along the mountain passes, Kootenay as well as the Rogers Pass. Snowfall warning remains in effect from now until tomorrow morning. 15 and up to 25 centimeters is possible along those routes, so you'll want to check in with drivebc.ca for the latest road conditions. Putting the futurecast into play, so there's that instability. A few showers still in the mix through the day tomorrow. We'll anticipate a few breaks in there, and then once we get past tomorrow, our spring break forecast, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, sunny skies and temperatures are going to bump up. We'll be back into the double digits for most areas along the south coast. Areas along the northern half could still see a few wet flurries in the mix. Inland across the central interior, dry with a mix of sun and cloud. It's higher elevations. The mountain passes will still see that snowfall heavy at times for the morning hours. Breaks for the afternoon. Tops in Okanagan, highs even closer to 7 and 9 degrees. I've put in a bit of instability for the northern regions of the island and inland with a few wet flurries, changing over to a chance for some showers. Lower mainland, it'll be on and off showers, a few breaks in there. And then as we get past tomorrow, we're back into some sunshine. Temperatures into the double digits, but still chilly with our overnight lows between 0 and 2. Tonight's weather window, a great shot. Spring has sprung was the title of this email, and sent in from Janine from Port Alberni. So,
better days ahead.
Yes,
That's
looks
lovely.
like it.
All right. Thanks very much, Yvonne. Brendan Fraser.